Isaiah 26:3. You will keep in perfect peace those whose minds are steadfast because they trust in you. Wherever you are right now, pause, not just with your body, with your mind. Let everything that feels like pressure just fall off for a moment. Take a slow, steady breath in. Let your shoulders drop as you breathe out. Inhale again, deeply. Exhale, slowly. This is your space to return. Not to performance, not to hustle, but to truth, to stillness, to God. Where have your thoughts been wandering lately? What has been stealing your peace? Not because it's louder, but because it's familiar. Now, ask yourself, what do I keep circling in my mind that God has already spoken peace over? Where have I rehearsed tension more than I've rehearsed truth? This is not about guilt. It's about grace. You don't have to fix it all. You just have to return. Isaiah 26:3 says that God keeps us in perfect peace when our minds are stayed on Him. That phrase, perfect peace, is actually shalom, shalom in Hebrew. Peace double. Wholeness. Completeness. Unshakable stability. But it doesn't come from willpower. It comes from rhythm. From setting your thoughts on trust. Not once, but daily. Moment by moment. God doesn't expect perfection. He invites presence. Peace isn't the absence of pressure. It's the presence of alignment. And alignment starts when you come back. Again and again and again. Say this truth aloud. My mind is stayed on God, and His peace is staying with me. Close your eyes and picture your mind like a river. Sometimes it's calm. Sometimes it's rushing. But in this moment, you place a stone in the middle of that river. A truth marker. That truth says, God is with me. I am kept in peace. You watch the water bend around that stone. Not fight it. And every time the swirl picks up again, you return to that stone. your anchor. Your rhythm. You don't have to stop the river. You just return to the rock. Here's your declaration today. Peace is not just possible, it's promised. I return to it now. Let that be enough. Let that guide your decisions, your pace, your posture today. You are in rhythm. Return to truth. Return to peace. Return to the one who keeps you.